Now let's say we have an Android phone on which ES File Explorer is installed, and we have a laptop. Both the laptop and the Android phone, they are connected to the same network, let's say a Wi-Fi network at home. So in this scenario, we can transfer files from our Android phone to our laptop without using any cables over the network. So we'll see how to do that in this example. So in order to walk through this example, I'll just create one small file so that we can transfer it easily. I'm just creating a new file here, a text file. So I have this tst123 file created. Let me open this file and enter some text in it. You may already know that ES file allows us to create text. You can create folders as well, you can create text files as well. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so this is our, do you want to save? So I'm going to hit next, yes. So this is the file we'll be testing. So before we can transfer files from our ES File Explorer on the Android phone to our PC, we need to create a shared folder on the PC. So we'll see how to create the shared folder on the computer, and then we can transfer this file to the shared folder on the computer. Now we are on the Windows Explorer screen. We will be creating a new folder. Just give a meaningful name. I am going to name it Android Shared Folder 2, and after this we'll have to share this folder. Right click, properties, and just click on the sharing tab, click share, and here you can also enter a username which you would like to share it with. If it is already added, then you can also change the permissions if you want. I'm going to add another user just for example, and I'm sharing that. So if you are accessing this shared folder from another PC, then you need to note down the path. Right now I'm going to advanced sharing properties. I don't want to share this with everybody, so I'm just gonna deny permissions. I will add the user that I want to access this folder with and allow full permissions. Apply. Okay. And we'll go out of this prompt. Now that we have created the shared folder on the computer, let's try to send this file from the Android phone to the PC. So we'll just long press on the file, and in the options we can either do move to or copy to. I'll just do copy to, and here I'll go back. Right now it's showing only two locations. One is my internal storage and the other is my SD card. So we need to set up a LAN connection to the PC first. So I'm just going to go back and tap on the menu. Now in the menu you'll be able to see network. You can just tap on network, and by the way, your phone and the computer should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So under the network we have LAN, FTP, Android TV, search result. At the bottom we have the scan button. Just tap on it and it will try to find any computers in the same network. So I think I have one here, so I'm just going to do hide. Yes, it has found my PC, so I'll just tap on it. Now if you run a quick IP config on your computer, then you can see that the IP address of the computer, which is 53 here, is the same as the one on the ES File Explorer prompt. You'll have to enter the username and the password that is used to log into this computer. So I'm just entering the username. And the password. So in order to let ES File Explorer connect to the computer, we need to enter the username and the password of a user on this computer to access the shared folder. So I've entered here, just gonna tap OK, and the shared folders on the computer, whose IP address is 192.168.0.53, are displayed here. Now as you can see, the shared folder I created was Android shared folder 2, which is now displayed here, and there are no files in this. So I'm gonna go back. Now if you don't want to enter the username and the password frequently, then you can just do remember password, which I did not do earlier, so I'm just going to do that now. So I'm remembering the password now, and there are no files here. I'm going to go back. So this is the text file that we want to move, so I'm just going to long press here, and from the options I'll do copy, and right now we are in storage emulated, so I'm going to go back, and now we have the PC that is now showing under LAN. Since we have already connected to that PC, it's now showing in the locations. So I'm just going to tap, and the folders are displayed. I want to move it to Android folder 2, and okay. So copy files to SMP is successful, so we'll check that. We can go to the menu, network LAN, and the PC is displayed, so I'm just going to tap on it. I'm just going to go to the folder, and the text file is here. So let's see whether the text file appears on the computer or not. We are back to our Windows Explorer, and let's see if we can see the file. There it is. Let's edit this file, and let's see if we can see the edited file from our Android phone. Just enter some junk data, save it, close. So now we are back to our Android phone, and let's see if the file edited from Windows Explorer is also visible in our Android phone. So just tap on the text file to open, and there it is. The extra characters we added are also visible. So we successfully moved the file from our Android phone to our Windows computer without using any cables or thumb drives or Bluetooth. So this is a very handy feature in ES File Explorer to manage files between our Android phone and our computer. So you can also try this out.